An electric mason jar vacuum sealer, VP05 from Love Moment. Is this something you need? Let's find out today. Hey guys, welcome back to Brand New Vegan. I am Chuck, and today I'm talking about this gadget that I had sent to me from a company called Love Moment. They're on Amazon. It's electric mason jar vacuum sealer. So thank you guys for this. What is it? Well, it's just what it says. It takes a mason jar or a ball jar and it seals the lid on. It vacuums all the air out and seals the lid. Is this like canning? No, it's not like canning. Canning is food preservation. So you can something like green beans or chili or soups, and you pressure can, you hot water bath can, and you preserve that food for a long time. This is more like food storage. So think dry goods. Like you open up a package of 15 bean soup, you don't use it all, you have some beans left, what do you gotta do with them? Well, you can put them in a baggie or some other canister, or you can use this guy. And you seal it and it'll last a lot longer in your pantry. Spices, like this oregano. Maybe you want to take some oatmeal with you camping or somewhere on vacation. You have some leftover nutritional yeast. You want to put that away. Maybe you buy some 7-grain mix and you don't use the whole bag. You can vacuum seal it. It'll stay fresher for a lot longer. You could possibly put some blueberries, strawberries in a jar, vacuum seal them, and it'll last a lot longer that way. I did make an avocado mayo last weekend, and I used this device to seal the air, suck the air out of the jar, and it stayed green for days. I was really surprised. So you can use it for stuff like that, but as far as preserving food for months and months, no, it's not for that. So how's it work? It's one device. It's rechargeable, comes with a cord. So it's wireless, but you can charge it with a USB cord. And there's an on-off button right here on top. There you go. And it'll work with both normal size lids. And if you can see that, there's a locking line right there, and you twist that, it comes apart, and now you can do wide mouth lids. So it's both normal and wide mouth. Let's try it out. So you take your jar of your beans or pasta, rice, nuts, seeds, stuff like that. Make sure the rim of the jar is very clean. You put the lid on. You push this down on top so it won't go any farther. The only complaint I have, if you look on the website, on the Amazon site, they don't tell you how long to run it. If you read the verbiage through the comments, it does say at least 20 seconds, but 25 seconds, 30 seconds. I've done it for a minute. It doesn't really say, but you could probably hear the difference when you start it, and you'll know when the lid's going to be sealed. So you just push the button and watch it count. It does have an LED counter. So again, I usually go about 20, 25 seconds. And if it seals, you'll know. And that's sealed. And then you will put a ring on. Store that in your pantry, and it's good for a lot longer than it would have been. Same with your spices like your oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, stuff like that. Again, if you have a big jar of oatmeal. Now this is a wide mouth, so I'm going to make sure the rim of the jar is clean. I'm going to grab a lid. Now I have the wide mouth setting. And you can hear the sound change. So it's probably sealed right now. That's 30 seconds. Yep, it's sealed. So there you go, electric mason jar vacuum sealer. Would I have bought one of these if it wasn't sent to me? I'm not quite sure, but since I've had it and I've tried it out a few times, there's a lid on here, right? There we go. I do like it, and for avocados, really guys, it's like a game changer. I took a half of an avocado by itself after I cut one for lunch. I left the pit in, I dropped it in the jar, I sealed it, and the very next day, you know what an avocado gets like? It gets all brown and mushy. It was still as bright green as it was the day before. So I think for preserving avocados and stuff like that for a little bit longer in the fridge, it's definitely going to be handy. So I'll leave the link below. Again, it comes with the vacuum sealer, which is both wide mouth and normal mouth. And it comes with a charging cord. And it actually comes with 5 brand new lids, both wide and narrow. People have asked me, can you reuse the lids? As long as the lid's not damaged, as long as the seal's not damaged, whoops. As long as it's not bent, dented, anything like that, yes, you could reuse the lids. So it's very handy, and I like it. So there you go, VP05 electric mason jar vacuum sealer. Cool. I'll put the links down below. If you like this type of content, you want to see more product reviews from me, along with the recipes and the everyday vegan interviews, give me a like, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next time here on Brand New Vegan. Until then, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.